everyone, welcome to Hot Wheels Cup. Look what we've got today. Wow, is that a Porsche? Donut! Like that one, there's 2 donuts.
Oh, a toaster.
Yeah, I like that one. There's a Rex car.
T-Rex.
Yeah. The cup. Oh no, he's getting monster trucks. Oh, who we got? There's Mega Rex. Who's that one? Grave Digger, Pirate's Curse,
Ultra Loco.
Super Mega Rex.
Oh, Blue Thunder.
Yeah, Captain America as well, isn't it? Right, there's loads of them. Who's going to race it off? So, looks like we've got to go around the loop. Down the track. Oh, okay, cool. And they're going to go into the net to win the cup. Got it. Right, who's going first? Hot Wheels. Who got Hot Wheels? Looks like a black hot rod. Yes, who's that? Pirate's Curse. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Ah! Pirate's Curse. Instant replay. Whee! Alright, Pirate's Curse did a better job. They didn't get into the net.
It was close though.
Yeah, super close. Right, here we go.
Blue Thunder and...
What Hot Wheels is it?
Oh,
Ooh, it's like an orange Hot Wheel.
orange and then blue inside.
Alright, let's get ready. Here we go. Whoa! Hot Wheels went flying. Let's look at the replay.
Replay.
Whee! Ah, Blue Thunder didn't make it. Hot Wheels went miles. Wow! There's a Rex.
Dino.
Yeah, Dino Hot Wheel. That one's cool. Here we go.
Here's the monster. Oh,
Mega Rex. I like it. Yeah, looks cool. Alright, here we go. Get them ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, he crashed. Where's Hot Wheels? He didn't even make it. Alright, replay. I want to see what happened.
Replay. He did a flip.
Yeah, that was a crazy flip. Next one.
Oh, is it Leonardo?
Yeah, Leonardo.
Yeah, Leonardo and Donut.
It's the donut. Alright, let's do this. Whoa! What a jump! Hot Wheels went miles. Where's Leonardo? He crashed! With a wheelie! What? Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, who's this one?
Raising Cane and...
Raising Cane looks really cool. Ah, look at that Hot Wheels. That one looks fast.
He looks so cool.
Yeah. Alright, you ready? Here we go. Whoa! Super jumps.
So close.
Yeah. Replay. Ah! They were close.
It was.
Who we got next?
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, the jelly one.
It's a jellied Hot Wheels and Dragonizer. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! He did a wheelie! He didn't make it off the edge! How close!
It was so close.
So close.
And jelly went upside down.
Replay. Whee! Look at that wheelie.
Oh my god.
That was cool. Up next.
Oh, Max D.
Max D.
And Toaster.
Is it Toaster?
Yeah.
I like the Toaster.
Same.
Come on, Toaster.
Oh, we made it.
Where's Toaster? Oh, let's see that replay. Oh, he got smashed.
Got smashed.
Alright, up next.
Grave Digger and... A tour local and...
What kind of Hot Wheels we got? Ooh,
He's really cool.
he looks funky.
He does look funky.
Alright, let's go. Whee! Whoa! We got one! Hot Wheels is in the lead. I want to see the replay. I told you, like it was close. But Hot Wheels is in the lead. What is that zebra doing? Oh, it's zebra fire alarm. There's a Porsche. Oh no! They crashed. Let's look at the replay. Oh, they got in each other's way.
That's really annoying.
Oh my days. Alright, on to the next one. Ooh, Winter Soldier. Oh, it's the Supra. I like this one. It's going to be good.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Whoa, look how fast. Oh
They didn't make it.
no. Replay. Who's next? We got...
Oh, Mega X versus Donut.
It's the pink donut. Alright, let's go. What? The pink donut's in! That's 2 for Hot Wheels. What are you doing back there, Mega X?
Oh my goodness.
Let's look at that replay.
That was really cool.
Wow! 2 for Hot Wheels. Okay. We got...
Captain America and... Oh, that one.
Oh, it's like a Jaguar. Jaguar Hot Wheels. Okay, let's do this. Final round. Whoa! Captain America, where are you going?
He went upside down.
He's doing his own donut.
Yay.
Replay. Whee! Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wow. Looks like we've got 2 winners today. It's Hot Wheels. They've gone for the cup. Hot Wheels beat Monster Trucks. Look at the cup. Wow. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Look at all those cars.
So many.